All right, I gave them a good shake. They fell off. Time to keep inspecting. Now these ones should be in theory easier because they're the shorter frames, and I've put other short frames underneath them. They're still all covered in bees, but I shouldn't have to deal with the potential of dropping a giant chunk of the wax off and killing a queen. Just, you know, general things you do on these. Man, these were so upset at me last time. It was unreal. But I earned it. Like, that's not a, why were they mad at me? Like, I know what I did. I messed up their whole house. I came in and just tore up everything they'd worked for. All right. So I'm trying to get used to inspections without gloves. And this is the thing, right? Like, when I make the bees really mad, I need the gloves because they're testy at me. And that's likely going to happen with this. But when I wear the gloves, I'm so clumsy. I smash things and drop things so they can't feel. And I'm a lot more gentle with just my hands. But riding that line of, are they too mad or not, that's a tough one. Okay, back inside. Okay, let's pull this guy out. Well, I got a lot of bees over here to deal with. It's because I clipped their honey a little. So we're just gonna get down in here a little. And oh, that is heavy. Okay, this is honey. That is just straight up honey. That is what that is. God. This thing weighs probably 10 plus pounds. See all that nectar on the bottom here that's not capped? That means they're still filling it in, and it's not dry enough. But when it's done, they'll cap it like they did here. That's finished honey. That's honey you could safely take. But there you go. That's kind of what this looks like. Oh, that's heavy. And this is good. It means the bees are moving down into the bottom, which is what they're supposed to do. Okay. Now we're gonna try to do this again, and just gotta be careful because they've put honey a lot of places here. And if I break it, bad things happen. All right, that push right there, don't know if you can see it, but I made it slide a bit abruptly. That's how you don't make friends. All right. A little more smoke because there's a few too many bees up here saying hi. Go back in. Now I've got a bee that's mad at me, buzzing around my head. So we're about to the part where I'm gonna have to wear gloves soon. All right, so this one, we've got brood. See, you can see all the empty stuff. You can see the different kind of coverings at the bottom. That's because they're using this one primarily for eggs, and you can see the honey around the side. That's your typical pattern. They sort of do like a layered sphere. Is there a queen on here? Not that I see. Good. It's gotta be a chicken. There's the queen. Found her. Right here. That's the queen. So now I know where she is. I could go through the trouble of replacing those frames, which there's another one actually. I think I should do more than that, and I'll try to do that one. But now I know where the queen is, so if I move fairly quickly, I can be kind of confident about where she is and only worry about me screwing things up for myself. But one of these here, even though it's a medium, I couldn't put things below it because it had built so far down. So what I'm gonna do is try to get to that one, clip off the hanging comb, pop the box up, slide something in underneath, and we'll call that good enough for today. Okay, so let's get moving kind of quick here. And since I don't remember which one it is, I kind of have to check them all. Okay. This is going to be tricky. I need you ladies to move. We'll do it this way. This is the way that one. That's pretty easy. All right, I can see there's a frame underneath that one, so that's not it. So I'll just slide that along and keep going. Wanna just be kind of quick here. There. Now this one, I don't see anything underneath, so this could be it. You'll see what I mean in a minute. All right. This is another very big frame full of stuff, so you need to be careful. And last time I screwed up big time with this. All right. Are you it? You're it. So look at all that. That's what I'm going to get rid of. And they've been laying eggs in it, which sucks. Get off me, ant. All right. It sucks to get rid of it, but I need to. So I'm just going to take a look at this and just make sure the queen didn't hop over real quick on here. Dang, that's pretty cool, I think, though. They built all this extra wax free hanging, which if you were trying to make in the comb honey that you sell with the wax intact, this is one of the ways you kind of do it. You put this frame around them, but you leave it empty in the middle, and you hope they figure out how to color in the lines. And apparently bees are happy to not do that if that's what you wanted them to do. Look at that, bee's checking out that dead bee. But here in this case where I didn't want them to do any of this, they built perfectly straight, correct honeycomb. And I see a queen cell in there, or maybe that's not a queen cell. I think it's just we're doing goofy stuff. All right, I don't see a queen. I mean, there should ever only be one, but I just don't want to screw this up because it'd be bad. All right, one check. All right, it's time to do the deed. So what I'm gonna do, put a little smoke on here so they don't know what's happening. It's easy. Now, this is a great debate. Do I shake them in or just do it and slice this off? I'm going to give them a shake. Right. So, got a lot of them off. We'll come over here and see if I get stung for doing this. Ow! I got stung. Shit. Ow! But not the way I was supposed to. I got stung because I accidentally squished a bee with my hand. Ow! Alright. Set that down. Let's go deal with this. Pop that off. Gloves go on. I accidentally squeezed one with my knuckle without realizing it. Woo! Right on my joint in my finger. Well, that's why I recorded this, because I knew something dumb was going to happen. Back to work.